Hey, it's Jason Hornung here. I'm the founder of JH Media. We're a full-service digital advertising agency that's spent over $30 million profitably on Facebook since 2013. And in this video, you're going to discover a brand new strategy for 2018 that will show you how you can make $1,000 per day with your advertising when you get all the elements right. Now, this is a brand new strategy that I'm still working on, and I'm going to peel back the curtain on this whole thing and show you how the whole process works. So you want to pay attention to this video and get ready to utilize this in your business. So let's go to the board here and I'll show you the model, right? So this is a very, very simple model and it's very elegant. So don't allow the simplicity of the front end of this to make you think that this isn't going to work. So let me just kind of briefly walk you through how this works, and then I'm going to go to my screen share, and through the magic of video editing, I'm going to actually show you how we do all of this stuff, all right? So on the base, this starts with what Facebook calls a messenger ad. This is a new type of ad unit. It's been around for a little while, but they keep making a lot of changes to it. And this is really the future of where Facebook ads is going. It's the present and the future right now. Now, what you can do with these messenger ads is you can use these ads to build a list of subscribers in your Facebook Messenger system. So this happens to be part of your Facebook fan page. And there's all kinds of software out there that allow you to use this messenger list very similarly to an email list, and actually a lot more effectively than an email list. We're seeing super high open rates, 80% plus open rates, where on emails, we typically sit around 20%. Then we're seeing CTRs or click-through rates at 50% plus, where on email, if you're doing good, you're looking at 5%. So the engagement, the ability to get your message in front of people here is really huge. Now, how we're taking this to another level is we're using our ads to get people on Messenger, to get them on this list, to start engaging with them and getting them into conversations similar to what you would do with an autoresponder in an email sequence, but you can set this up as different conversations in your software that you use to manage your messenger list. Now, the software that I use is ManyChat, and I'm going to go into that when we go onto the screen. I'll show you how I set this up. But then I use ManyChat to facilitate this, and through these automated conversations that we're sending people on our messenger list, we're engaging with them and then trying to get them onto our email list and into our normal marketing funnels, all right? And then that's how we're able to convert this ad click over into a customer throughout our marketing funnel. And we're seeing really low costs doing this. Right now, it's cost me less than $1 to get a double opt-in subscriber onto my messenger list. When I run my ads straight to my email list, it costs me anywhere from $5 to $18 per lead, and that's a single opt-in. So we're able to get people onto an email list for quite a bit less than we can over here onto this messenger list. And then by the time we convert a good percentage of them over to here, our costs are still lower than this. So we're able to utilize this to lower our cost of acquisition to get somebody on our email list, which helps our ROI go up quite a bit. So I'm going to show you how, I'm just testing this right now, but I'm going to walk through yesterday's numbers and I'll show you how I profited just slightly over $1,000 yesterday in this particular model running this. So we'll go ahead and go over to the screen sharing now, and I'll walk you through all of that stuff so you can see how this thing works in real time, and I can show you the proof of these numbers. All right, so I just hopped over into my Facebook ad account here, and as I'm recording this video, it's March 6th of 2018, so I'm showing yesterday's numbers of March 5th, and you can see in the bottom line here, I spent across all of my campaigns $558.26. On the Messenger campaign specifically, I only spent $30.40. All right. Now, this is an entire ecosystem of different things that goes into my marketing funnel. All of it spits out the same product. So with this particular strategy, you can see here, these were our sales yesterday that are coming from this particular marketing funnel. So we had $1,592 in sales and $558 in ad spend. So that's a little bit over about $1,040 in profit over our ad spend for that particular day. So you can see that with this model, it's extremely viable. Now what we do is we use this software called ManyChat, and you can see in ManyChat it gives you this really cool dashboard where you can see all of your subscribers, and there's all kinds of neat things that you can do in here to automate stuff. So the thing that we use is I'm using these sequences right here, and this is just like an autoresponder system inside of your whatever you're using, Infusionsoft, Aweber, whatever it is to gather your emails and run that, your CRM system. But it's way different because in a CRM system, what you have to do is you can only send one email and you can focus that on something. But with this type of autoresponder, you can create what's called a flow, and then this flow is going to have all kinds of different elements into it. So what I do is I like to create these different conversations that qualify people and lead them into different points of my marketing funnel. And you can see here, I'm just building out this strategy right now, but we've had just on this first flow, 76.9% of the people are opening it, and 53.8% are clicking. So it's highly engaging, and it's moving people from that messenger list over onto my email list and into my marketing funnel so that I can then present them with my offers. I can consistently follow up with them through email on top of what I'm doing here in ManyChat, and then I can convert these people profitably and get to that $1,000 per day mark. So for your business, what you really want to do is you're going to need to run your different numbers and understand how much you need, how much you can acquire a customer for, what your offers are, and what that profit will be. And then you can determine if what it's going to take to get to $1,000 a day. Now for me, it's pretty easy because my product's $1,500. So if I spend $500 on my ads and I make one sale in a day, then I hit that $1,000 mark. But you may have a product where your profit is only $50. So in that case, then you have to have 200 sales a day in order to make your $1,000. So you got to understand what your particular business model is and how that works, and then run the math, and you can figure out how many sales you need to get, how much you'd have to spend, assuming that everything works out the way that you want it to hit that $1,000 a day profit. But here's the bottom line. If you leverage this ManyChat strategy, it will allow you to achieve that faster, easier, and better than any other option on Facebook today. So that's the new 2018 strategy that you can use in your business to make $1,000 per day with Facebook ads. Do you believe that you have to be some kind of great writer in order to put together Facebook ads that convert? Well, I'm telling you, that's actually nonsense. Do you believe that you have to have some kind of mystical settings or know something that will allow you to target buyers properly on Facebook that's just being held from you? Well, that's nonsense too. And do you believe that you actually have to have like really deep pockets with a lot of money to burn in order to test and find out what's actually going to work for you so you can be profitable with Facebook ads? Well, that's nonsense too. Hey, my name is Jason Hornung. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We specialize in creating profitable Facebook ads for ourselves and our clients. We've spent over $30 million since 2013 profitably doing so. And what I have for you today is something super, super, super exciting that's going to solve all three of those problems for you. You see, what it is it's a free PDF along with 2 videos that's going to walk you through a campaign that we put together for a client that produced over $1 million in revenue at better than a 2-to-1 return on ad spend. On the PDF, what you're going to see is an actual copy of the ad, the full ad, along with a complete breakdown of all the elements of the ad so you can understand why it works and how to put it together for your own business. On top of that, you're going to get a video that walks you through exactly how I did that. So you can see that, and you can hear it, and you can learn how to apply it in your own business. Then the next thing is you're going to get a second video that'll walk you through what I call our lazy man's guide to targeting buyers with Facebook ads. This is the exact process that we use for ourselves and our clients to find all the profit-producing targets that our tender little hearts desire so that we can put ads like I teach you out to those targets and start to bring in the profits that make the bank account balance go up and up and up. Then the last thing is throughout both of those videos, you're going to actually see how we launch campaigns at as little as $5 a day for testing budgets, and we can find out how things are working and not working, turn off our losers, and then scale up our winners so that we can create profitable ad campaigns and get them to the max level of profit as possible. So if that's something that's interesting to you, which I can't imagine why it wouldn't be, all you got to do is you got to click one of the buttons that's here. There should be, if you're on desktop, it'll be like in the lower right-hand corner. If you're on mobile, it'll be in like the upper right-hand corner or left-hand corner. I don't know, I'm probably pointing the wrong area. But either way, you click one of those buttons, it's going to take you out to my page. You can register to receive this PDF and these 2 free videos, and you'll get them delivered to your email instantly so that you can go ahead and you can go through it, you can learn, you can apply it in your business, and you can start making money with your Facebook ads today.